Hello student, in this tutorial I'll cover the third type of knockout tournament, that is consolation tournament. So consolation tournament is divided into type 1 and type 2. So type 1 and type 2 is just like double knockout tournament. We have to prepare 2 draws in it. So we give them the title the main draw and the consolation draw. So in the main draw you have to follow the same rule which we are following at the time of preparing a single elimination tournament. And in consolation tournament, what condition we have to follow? So you can note down in your register also the condition who can participate in the consolation tournament. So team defeated in the first round in single elimination tournament can participate. So only the team who was defeated in the first round can participate in type 1. We are talking about type 1. तो फर्स्ट राउंड के जितने भी लूजर्स हैं वो टीम्स इसमें पार्टिसिपेट कर सकती हैं. एंड देर इज़ वन मोर कंडीशन अटैच टू इट टाइप 1 में. वो क्या कंडीशन है? द टीम विच गॉट बाइज इन द फर्स्ट राउंड बट डिफीटेड इन द सेकेंड राउंड कैन ऑल्सो पार्टिसिपेट. सो वट इट मीन्स, इन दोनों कंडीशन को अगर हम अंडरस्टैंड करें तो वी कैन से दैट so whosoever teams play the first round or match and defeated gets the opportunity to participate in the consolation prize winner but in the tournament, and the team who got the bye in the first round and team who is playing the second round and loses the match will again gets an opportunity. So जो भी teams basically इसको अगर हम understand करें, सो वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द मैच. तो जो भी बाई को हम लोग काउंट नहीं कर रहे. सेकेंड राउंड डेफिनेटली द टीम हु गेट्स अ बाई इन द फर्स्ट राउंड एंड प्लेइंग द सेकेंड राउंड मैच. सो बेसिकली जो सेकेंड राउंड का उसका मैच है वो प्लेइंग मैच है. तो प्लेइंग मैच में अगर वो हारता है देन गेट्स द अपॉर्चुनिटी टू पार्टिसिपेट इन द कंसोलेशन प्राइज विनर टूर्नामेंट. सो टेक एन एग्जांपल ऑफ number of teams 12 here. So we prepared the working note according to that single elimination tournament. I am not showing the working again and again for these questions. So straight away we'll prepare a fixture of that consolation tournament type 1. So this will be our, I'll just write here main fixture just like single elimination tournament. We'll follow the same system here. So number of teams are 12. So we have to give 4 byes. So place 4 byes according to the rule of placing the bye. Then prepare the first round, second round and third round. So main draw, this will be the winner here. So we have to write, because we have to assume who will be the winner. So there will be match between 1 and 8 here. So when the match will be there, so इधर 1 को हम लोग विनर कर देते हैं एंड सेकेंड जो पोजीशन है वो 8 को मिलेगी. तो रनर्स अप विल बी 8. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू आवर फर्स्ट कंडीशन, द टीम डिफीटेड इन द फर्स्ट राउंड कैन पार्टिसिपेट इन द consolation प्राइज टूर्नामेंट. सो फर्स्ट राउंड मैच 2 and 3 वी हैव टू अज्यूम 3 लूजर है, 4 and 5 लूजर है, देन 8 and 9 लूजर है, देन 10 and 11 लूजर है. तो फर्स्ट राउंड के हमारे पास 3 पार्टिसिपेंट्स मिल रहे हैं कॉन्सोलेशन के लिए, 3, 5, 9 and 11. तो 4 पार्टिसिपेंट्स आर देयर अकॉर्डिंग टू अवर फर्स्ट रूल, फर्स्ट कंडीशन. एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू अवर सेकेंड कंडीशन, द टीम हु गॉट्स अ बाय इन द फर्स्ट राउंड बट लूजेज इन द सेकेंड राउंड. तो 1 यहाँ पर बाय मिली है, तो देर इज अ मैच बिटवीन 1 and 2. तो यहाँ 2 लूजर है, 1 लूजर नहीं है. तो 1 ये कंडीशन हमारा फर्स्ट के लिए नहीं होगा. बट इन देर इज अ मैच बिटवीन 6 and 4. तो यहाँ पर 6 लूजर है एंड 6 क्या है, यहाँ पर फर्स्ट राउंड में बाई था एंड सेकेंड राउंड का फर्स्ट मैच ही इसने लूज किया. तो अगेन अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस सेकेंड कंडीशन 6 को अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलेगी टू पार्टिसिपेट इन द consolation prize winner tournament. Again there is a match between 7 and 8. 7 is again playing their first match, round 2 but match first है इसका. तो अगेन इसने भी कंडीशन फुलफिल की है कॉन्सोलेशन के लिए. So 6 and 7 fulfill the condition, and again there is a match between 10 and 12. So 10 and 12 के match में 12 को बाई मिली थी, but 12 is the winner here. So 12 obvious a winner है, तो will not get the opportunity to play the consolation. So now complete the draw here according to the single elimination rule system. So 1 and 4 का match, 8 and 12 का match, 1 and 8 के match में 1 is the winner here of the main draw. तो 1 winner है and 8 is the runners up here. Now let's prepare a fixture of consolation prize winner further. So first round losers, write down all the losers of first round, and there are 2 losers from the second round because they got the bye in the initial round, 6 and 7. So now 6 teams are there, then you have to make them in the power of 2, so 8 teams. So give 2 byes, 8 minus 6. So you have to give the bye number 1, bye number 2, then initial 2 rounds match, 2 matches will be there, then there is a match between this, and assume 3 will be the winner, 5 will be the winner here, 11, 7, and there is a match between 5 and 11, then at the end 5 will be the winner of consolation prize. So 5 को prize मिलेगा consolation का. So team 1 will be the winner of this tournament, and team A is the runner and 5 is the consolation prize winner here. Now start with the type 2 consolation prize. Type 2 के अंदर the condition to participate in the tournament is the loser of regular round, first, second, third, fourth, जितने भी rounds के losers होंगे will get the opportunity to participate in this type of tournament. So what is the difference between the double elimination and the consolation? So the main difference here is, in comparison to the double elimination, the consolation winner will not play with the main draw winner. So whosoever be the consolation prize at the end will not play with the main winner. But in double elimination, you have seen in the previous question, जो main consolation का winner था, again वो main draw के winner से खेलना पड़ा था उसे. So take an example of number of teams 12 और number of team 13 here. So जो example हम लोगों ने double elimination tournament के लिए लिया था, I have taken the same example here to try to make you understand the difference between the type 2 consolation prize and the double elimination tournament. According to the second working note, that is number of rounds, number of teams are 13, so next highest power of 2 is 16, so 4 round is to be there. Then according to our third working note, number of teams will be 7 in the upper half and 16 will be in the lower half. So number of byes will be 3, 16 minus 13, 3 byes is to be there. So bye number 1, bye number 2 and bye number 3. We'll follow the same system, same rule of single elimination tournament. So start grouping round 1. We have to assume who will be the winner here. So first we'll group them into two will be the winner here. Then there is a match between 4 will be the winner here, then 6 will be the winner here. So again there is a third round match. So you have to assume 11 will be the winner. There is a match between 8 and 10. 10 will be the winner here, then 13. There is a next round match. 1 will be the winner here. 1 versus 4. 8 versus 13. So now there is a final round. We assumed 1 और 4 में 1 winner है and 8 और 13 में 8 winner है. So at the end 1 will be the winner of this tournament. So now start the second draw, that is consolation prize winner. We'll give them the title consolation prize winner from this fixture. So first round losers, we write down the teams here. So first round loser 3, 5, 7, then 9, 12 and divide them into two group, 5 teams, 3 buys, buy number 1, buy number 2, buy number 3. So there is a match between 5 and 7. So first round, then second round, team available 5 will be the winner here, then 9 and 12. Second round losers 2, 6, 10, 11. So equal number are there, so just prepared a draw grouping. So again you have to assume 3, 9 will be the winner, 2 and 11 will be the winner here. Again next round 3 and 11. So 2 teams are left. Again from here 4 will be the loser here and 13 is the loser here. So then there is a match between these two teams, and the final round you have to again assume 3 versus 13. So at the end 3 will be the consolation prize winner here. So in double elimination what happened, this 3 will have to play with the winner of this main draw. So I hope it's clear what is the difference between double elimination and consolation type 2. There is one query at the time of double elimination. I am putting cross निशान here. So 12 को मैंने क्रॉस कर दिया था, यहाँ पर 6 को क्रॉस कर दिया था, यहाँ पर 10 को क्रॉस कर दिया था. They will be out from the tournament. But when you are attempting the question, don't put cross here. So you have to prepare the double elimination tournament in the same way. So there is one doubt of one question student कि मुझे भी यहाँ पर क्रॉस करना है, यहाँ पर अंडरलाइन करना है. There is no need for that cross or underline here. You have to simply attempt the question in the same way in the double elimination also. I hope I am clear here. So thank you. Bye.